Don't know what to say. I literally forgot that it is the 5-year anniversary of my brand. I'm in a rush. So here's a brief recap how in the world I forgot my 5-year anniversary was coming up for my brand. Top of the year in January, I get sick. My whole family gets sick. I'm not thinking about printing. I'm not thinking about my brand. I'm not thinking about design. Next month, which is February, it's my daughter's birthday. I start picking up customer orders on printing. And prior to that was December. Well, not prior to February, of course. Prior to this year in December, I kind of started an idea of what I was going to do for the 5-year anniversary. But with everything that happened in January, February, slipped my mind. So I've got these designs that I put together last week, ran them by my team. They loved them, put them on social media. Social media loved the ideas. So we're going to run with that. One of them is a simple 1-color job. The other one is going to be a toughie. It's a 3-color job. Still deciding whether or not I want to underbase, but let's get to work. First, we're going to go over to the computer. Already started the design work. This is the 1-color job. Go ahead, press print, and I'll show the screen versus doing a split screen thing because I'm lazy today. All right. So this is the 1-color job. It's going to be on the chest. White ink, black shirt. Let's go ahead and put this down on the screen. So my biggest problem that I have right now with screen printing, number one, I'm printing in my basement that's maybe 200 square foot, maybe 300 square foot. I don't know the exact square footage here. I don't really have adequate storage space. Behind me, the people who lived here, they built some little shelf thing. That's where I store all of my screens that have been coated with emulsion. It's a little dusty, so I fear one of these screens are not going to be good. Let's check though. Yep, and of course, there's speckles of dust all through here. We should be good though. Let's go ahead and expose this. So I'm gonna use a 6-inch squeegee on this. Always make sure you got the right size squeegee. Found out the hard way that if you use the wrong one, you can screw up the print. Still got the registration marks open, whatever, it's just a test. Oh yeah, that's good money. Now, aside from the registration mark that's there, that's good to go into production. Shirt is loaded. Let's go ahead and do our first pass of the white. first pass. It's tacky, so didn't cure it. Good job, me. Let's go for the second pass. And there we have it. That is the first design. Yeah, that's where I want that. Small, medium, large, extra large, 2X. One, where my screen must have moved. No big deal. Hopefully there's no more like that. Throw that in my trash pile.